Good morning, YouTube. We are back at the Harpeth River in Kingston Springs. I am currently at the skate park. It is a brisk early November morning. I am freezing. I am hoping the sun will come out soon. I'm a little bit concerned because I upgraded the firmware on my GoPro and it reset some of my settings, so I'm hoping I won't have to do voiceover because of one particular setting, so I'm a little concerned about that. If it happens, it happens. Hopefully we'll catch so many fish it won't matter. But this float is from the Kingston Springs skate park to Highway 70, and you might remember from a couple episodes back I went from Highway 70 to Gossett. This is that float was only less than 2 miles. This float is pretty close to 5 miles, so I'm pretty excited. I took a look at the topography of the area and it seems like there's more moving water in this float than previous floats, and if that's the case, I expect to hopefully see some more smallmouth bass. So I may fish down here just in a moment in this area because there's moving water, but hopefully we'll get some catches for you, and I'm excited. It's going to be a great day. Thanks for joining. I'll be honest, not much is going well so far, but dang, it's pretty. Am I right? You see these cliffs and the bluffs up here? It's pretty cool. A little bit of junk on the top of the water, which is never good for me. Trying the bladed jig a little bit, and then the old trusty craw, Nico craw. So we'll see how it goes. Look at this little guy. Little painted turtle. Well, we had to make a lot of changes. I'm not gonna lie to you. Hasn't been going well today. My GoPro settings are all screwy. Every single lure I started with, I had to switch. And now I've caught this monster. Oh yeah, look at that. He's a beast. Every single lure has been changed. Haven't caught a fish until this very moment. It has been approximately 3 hours, and now I've switched finally to the Yamamoto Nuki. Sorry. And that was given to me by my brother. So I'm hoping that might be the answer going forward. Fingers crossed. One down. My brother's coming in strong with this Yamamoto. It's managed to catch a couple of fish very, very quickly. Wish I would have pulled it out earlier. So pretty smally here. I know. I'm gonna let you go with this pretty colors there. I don't know if y'all can see them really good, frankly, but It's a pretty fish. Score 1 for Bubba. Or score 2 for Bubba. Got us another one. Another smallie. Ooh. Pretty, not big. Got us another one. We just barely hooked him though. Just barely hooked him. These are not giant fish. The river is very, wow, look how pretty he is though. Don't bite me. The river's very low here, so our odds of catching giant smallmouth's probably not good, but I've caught big smallmouth in shallow water before, so I'm not ruling it out. And the fact that I fish for hours without so much as a bite, and then I switched to this Yamamoto little stick bait thing. I don't know. I mean, it feels like if I get it close, they're going to hit it. And that's exciting. There's a lesson to be learned here, probably something along the lines of listen to your big brother. I think that's horse dookie, frankly. You know, even the sun shines on a dog's rear every now and again. I think that's probably what's happening here. I say this, of course, because my brother doesn't watch my channel. So, had he actually watched the channel, I would be saying much nicer things like, you can always count on Big Bro, and I sure do appreciate my brother buying me this bait, you know, just randomly, thinking I need it. And he actually bought me two bags of it, so certainly much appreciated. A couple different options. Today would be an absolute disaster of a fishing day without my big brother. So, you know, give respect where it's deserved or whatever, I guess. Yeah. Y'all, the chunky fella is struggling a wee bit to get through this very low water. I mean, I'm bottoming out regularly. I'm not gonna lie to you, if I weighed 165 pounds, that probably wouldn't be the case, but it is what it is. I don't know, I'm just grateful for the slime all over these rocks, which unfortunately makes them very, very slippery, but also makes my big butt slip right over the top of them, so that's good. Fishing has slowed down just because there really aren't very many spots you could, it's deep enough to even have a fish. I'm hoping I don't have to do a lot of dragging And as I say that, it's not looking good. So, I don't know. Probably won't revisit this float again until springtime at the earliest. Because, I mean, I'm telling you guys, it's just slate. My buddy told me to expect this, just pretty much slate. And he was definitely right. Still fun. And, you know, I mean, the chunky fella even stands up in his kayak, because he can. If I were to fall off, I'd just, like, step off, basically. Which makes sight fishing kind of possible, so that's cool. We'll see how this goes, though. Jesus, that sounds like a damn grenade. These people are obviously telling me they don't want me on their part of the river here. Fortunately for them, they don't own the water. Now they're waving at me. They're letting off a damn grenade or something. Today wasn't a total loss. What do you think? How's that for a catch? Here are mine. I think they're legit. Oh, they don't say P for polarized, I'm guessing. But I have the big boy, big head Ray-Bans, but hey. And they're not like all... well, I don't know. They might be fake. I don't know. We will have to see. But maybe the coolest catch of the day. Well, we finally got one of some sense of size, and he fell off the hook. Of course. All right, just keep flapping around, do your thing. Well, you know, better than the others. I don't know. He might be 11 inches or 12 inches or something. He's not terrible. Better than what we have been catching, that's for sure. So, we'll let him go. The sun is trying to set on me. Well, I still haven't gotten to the takeout yet, but it's pretty. I mean, look at those trees. The fall colors in Middle Tennessee is certainly a blessing. I prefer warmer weather. I prefer never to have winter, but it's hard to argue with fall being pretty here. Well, it wasn't a great day of fishing, but it was a day of fishing. So we will take that gladly. There will be no complaints. Happy to have it. So, as always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.